What's up, good people? It's a Super Sunday here in the cooler with Vic's world famous chicken in the cooler. We are going to do some North Carolina style barbecue here this Sunday. I'm going to use a pork shoulder butt HEB natural, and it's got the bone in there. Nice little fat cap. I'm going to wash it, season it, and I'm going to show you what sauce we make all the way from North Carolina in Texas to make sure that you have a great, outstanding pulled pork sandwich. And the first thing that we do in the cooler is wash that meat. Give me 1 second. A nice little wash of that meat. Give me some paper towels, and I'm just going to pat it a little bit dry just to get some of the extra moisture out because I need something for my seasonings to stick to. Today, I'm going to use a little Fiesta seasonal, give it a nice color, and of course some coarse black pepper. Up high with it. Folks, make sure you wash your meat, rinse it off. You don't know what it's been through before it got to you. You just don't know. It's a big, thick piece of meat. I'm going to put more seasoning on than this, but just my first little layer. Slap a little bit more, a little pepper so you can see it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you want some more super duper recipes like this, like I said, I am bringing North Carolina style barbecue to Texas. Texas is great. They know beef. They know brisket, beef ribs. Some of them know ribs, pork ribs as well. But their main thing is beef. They do a great steak, all that type of stuff. So I'm bringing chicken, pork. I wish I could do whole hog here, but the cost of pork or whole hog here is astronomical. Or maybe I can get with one of the local farmers, one of the pig farmers, and maybe I can get it straight from the farmer instead of from the butcher or the stores, because I'd have to charge way too much money in order for me to deliver whole hog here to Texas. So there you go. Fiesta seasonal, covered up good. Like I said, this is a big piece of meat. I'm going to put it on the Traeger. And like I said, I really don't cook the time, but I'm going to put it on the Traeger at about 250, and I'm going to cook it until it's done. I'm going to try to give me this fat cap a little crispy on there. So when I do pull that bone, because it's going to come right off the bone, when I pull that bone out and I chop it up and I sauce it with my dad's sauce recipe, a little vinegar, a little crushed red pepper, pepper, salt, sugar, all that type of great stuff. And when I show you how to make that sauce, then you'll realize what makes North Carolina style barbecue great. If you had North Carolina style barbecue before you didn't like it, it's not the style. It's that person who made it just can't cook North Carolina style barbecue. So keep watching. I'll be right back once I fire up the Traeger and we get this big beast on. See you in a minute. Okay, folks. That Traeger is heated up to 250 degrees. Like I said, I'm going to put this on there until it's done. Once it's all finished, I will give you a time on how long it took and how great it is. See you in several hours. Peace. Cap side up. Pretty. Catch some of that smoke. Let's go. What's up, folks? Here we're out here. Let's check it. See what she's doing. A couple hours. Usually I don't spray, but I've been watching everybody spray. So I said, you know what? Let me try something different. I'll tell you one thing about when I spray it. She sure starts to look a little bit more juicy. But to tell you the truth, this is on the inside. And then once I'm done, I'll slap some of it with that sauce. North Carolina style. All right. What's up, folks? 4 o'clock in the morning. Going to check out that. She ready. Oh, look at that. Phone on the phone. Let me get her off there. Yo! Fatty, crispy. Good to chop that skin up in there. What happens? Look at that. Try to take off there and she fell clean apart. Look at that bone right there, see? Ooh. Okay. When the meat fall off the meat. Look at that fat cat. Ooh. I think it's flavorful. Ah, damn. Good. What's up, folks? Vic's world famous chicken in the cooler. Trying to finish that exciting video. Now I am building barbecue pork sandwiches. My awesome wife is not eating a whole bunch of carbs, so I am making her a sandwich with butter bread as well, but with sugar-free barbecue sauce and not the Vic family recipe. Even though she loves it, it's too much sugar for her right now. So what I'm doing right now, buttering the bread, gonna toast it, gonna build these sandwiches. My sandwich will have barbecue with Vic's world famous sauce and coleslaw and a spicy Frank's pickle. Gonna add a little extra spice to my sandwich with those pickles. On my wife's sandwich, you know, chopped pork, Baby Ray's sugar-free barbecue sauce, and also a Frank's red hot pickle. I thought she was going to go sriracha, but she decided to go with the sweet Baby Ray's, which you can't go wrong with because sweet Baby Ray's is on the money. Let's brown this bread. Get a nice little brown coat on it. My barbecue. The Queen's barbecue with a little chop. Woo. Come on, bread. Come on, bro. I did not have time to make me coleslaw, so I just went to Kroger, got me a little coleslaw. Try that out. Whew. That toasted bread. Ow. Toasted bread. Ow. Toasted bun. Now, to build this sandwich, I've already heated all the meat up. Sweet Baby Ray's. Pop the bottom of that pickle. How many pickles you want, babe? Two. One sandwich down. Sorry, get out the way, bro. One toasted sandwich. Want to take a bite, babe? See how I did? Gotta come on this side if you're gonna be on it. World star.
A world star?
As you guys can see, my vultures, the dogs, are hungry too. They keep circling.
Oh my god, that pickle's really good.
The pickles is good, setting it off. I'm just gonna, are they spicy?
Not really.
I'm gonna give me 2 little pickles on there. Hit it with the coleslaw.
It's really good.
Ooh. A little coleslaw. Sandwich. Sandwich. Let's see. I'm not gonna cut mine. Gonna eat it whole. Eat it whole. Oh, sweet. Smoky, crisp from the pickle, crisp from the pork skin, the vinegar, crushed red peppers, everything immaculate. Doesn't have a chance. Look at that. Turn it up, turn it up. Okay. Official taste test. I'm still in this from. Come on. Turn it around, baby. Official taste test. You ready, Tattoo? Nom, 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 nom. Come on, Wibby. Official taste test. Come on. Nom, 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 nom. Dogs approved. All good. Thanks y'all coming out. God bless you. Good night now. Vic's world famous chicken in the cooler. Another North Carolina recipe here in Texas. Until the next time. See ya.